Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and we're back for another quick segment. We're back in the bathroom finishing up a sink and a few other things. Let's turn you around so you can get a bird's eye view. Okay, if you can recall, we fixed our light. We also enclosed the wall. And as you can see, we gave it a quick paint job. We replaced our toilet seat, as you can see, and we got our sink in. Now the last bit of what we need to do is hook up our drain. We have our door handles. We have everything in place. Let's get on that drain now. Okay. Now the first thing we had to do is we have to take out the tail piece here. We loosened that up, and yes, it was very difficult to get that off, but we were able to. We're going to get that tail piece out. As such, this is our old pipe. Now we're gonna get our piece in here. As you can see, it has a gasket at the bottom, and there's a gasket that comes along the bottom as such, and you're gonna push that up and it's gonna make a tight connection. But we're also gonna put some plumber's putty right around here so we get a real tight joint. Now, because of the length of this pipe, we had to cut it, and we cut the inside pipe. We got that cut. Now we're gonna get that screwed in and tight. All right. Now we got our putty, our plumber's putty. Roll that around. Now what I'm gonna do is put it around as such. It's gonna be as such, and when it goes in, we're gonna squeeze that excess out. All right, let's get this off so it can go in. Now we're gonna put that into the drain. Put our our gasket, slip our gasket at the bottom. Now, okay, now we have to get our nut. Okay, this is the bottom nut that will adhere our tail piece in. So let's get that in. Okay, let's see if I can give you a better view of this so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, this is the nut. Got that on. Let's get this washer up. Tighten that up. Okay, I'm gonna get that tight all the way up to the top. Okay, we got that screwed all the way to the top. And now let's go to the top. Now we're going to take our excess putty out, and that's going to be a tight seal. Get our excess putty. Okay. Clean that out. So as it oozes out, you know you're going to get a tight seal around this drain. Okay. Now let's get the rest of it installed at the bottom. Okay, so we have the washer in place along with the top nut. Now we have our plastic, our PVC pipe drain. We're going to put that into here as such. Okay. Get it in there as far as possible. Now we're going to screw this on. Turn this as such. We're going to tighten everything up. Okay, now we got our drain installed, and that's because it did not initially line up, but we had to take advantage as with this particular fitting, because the tailpiece came directly down, so we had to improvise so that we could still have our trap and our drain will work. All right. Okay, our water is back on with our new levers that we installed earlier. Now let's go back into the bathroom and make sure we don't have no leaks in the drain or the faucet. Yep, we got fresh running water and no leaks. Okay, our bathroom came out nice, a nice fresh paint job. Everything is repaired accordingly, as we said we were going to do. Okay, I'm Michael, your handyman, and with that being said, everything is done. We have our bathroom painted, we have our toilet taken care of, we have our light addressed, we have our lock addressed for the door. As you, everything works like it's supposed to. And like I say, we have no leaks. We have a fresh lavatory medium sink, and everything is working. And again, okay, with this job being done, I'm Michael, your handyman, and I'm off to the next job. Talk to you later. Always hit that like and subscribe, and see you on the next project. Talk to you later.